Come on, Leo. You can do it. Just take a deep breath and step into the water. It's not as deep as you think.
Come on, Leo, you can do it. You are brave and strong, just like your father. Don't be afraid.
I am not afraid, Tiki. I just can't swim. I've got an idea, Leo. Hold on, let me call Bongo for help. Bongo! Bongo! I hope Leo is all right. Tiki, Leo, I'm coming. I really hope everyone is safe. Bongo!
Hope Leo is all right?
Tiki, Leo, hang in there. I am coming.
Here comes Bongo!
Hurry up, Bongo. Glad you came on time and not sleeping away.
It's all right, Leo. Let me show you how to cross this crocodile pool. Just watch me closely and follow my lead without hesitation. You can do it. You see it, Leo. It's that easy. It's your turn now, buddy. You are the son of Zulu, the great lion.
Hooray! I made it at last!
You are a brave lion, Leo. No one can take that away from you. Your dad will be proud.
Thanks, Tiki. Thanks, Bongo. What will I do without my best friends? Your support means the world to me.
What are friends for? We will always be there for you, Leo. Any day, anytime. Come rain, come shine. Buddies forever.
Dad, I had fun today. I went on an adventure with my friends, and we explored so many new places.
All right, Leo. Come along and tell me all about it. We have plenty of time for stories on our way to the Great Watering Hole.